Secrets of Success Affiliate Review. Did you see? Russell Brunson recently bought a massive Napoleon Hill collection for $2.7 million? Photos, old letters, first edition books, and multiple unpublished, never-before-seen works and manuscripts from the typewriter of Napoleon Hill. And if you know Russell, he couldn't keep this stuff to himself. He paid $1.5 million for a rare book by Napoleon Hill called The Laws of Success. You get his most incredible free books. Russell Brunson built a 20,000 square foot library, his rare collection of books. You can get the most incredible list of books by paying only shipping and handling. Plus, we have 12K of free bonuses. Check it out at http://www.secretsofsuccesses.com. In fact, he filmed an entire documentary on how this collection came into his possession. And if you watch the whole video, he'll even share how you can get physical copies of 2 of these unpublished, controversial works for free.